Whew, child, it is spicy out here today. Don't pay the taxi man no mind, alright? Because we finna walk down to the end of the road and catch a route taxi. Alright, so now I'm up in a nice man car. Alright, so I'm on my way to Half a Tree, and then we gonna take another taxi to get to Pricesmart. Alright, y'all, we in Alpha Tree now. Look at me getting a nice cool air. Alright, I'm the front seat passenger princess, alright, for this right here. Alright, so let's look. Ooh. Oh, the police was out today, so we don't know what to go on, but we're gonna roll that window up because we're not out of business. Alright, so we have reached Pricesmart. We may or may not get a jelly when we come back out here, or coconut. Soon come, we're gonna get us a car, so we don't have to take a taxi, y'all. But I got there a little early. I forgot what time that they open, so I had reached probably like 10 minutes before they open. Watch the security man look upon me, so we look upon me for. As y'all can see, I ain't got no patience, but don't worry, we soon get in. Alright, now we reach. Alright, so Pricesmart is like the Jamaican version of Costco or Sam's Club. Alright, so you see they got the little vision center there, and we finna peruse around just a little bit, just wasting a little bit of time seeing what they got. I'm not buying nothing from here because I don't need nothing from this part of the store. Don't know where he came from, but I love it anyway. I mean, I know who wants to grab this. Alright, playground set, treehouse, something that's expensive, so I hope whoever gets it enjoy it well. And let's see what else we got going on. Alright, so we're gonna drink water and mind our business. Alright, we don't know. That's what we're gonna do. And I was actually on the hunt for some stuff, so let me see if I can find anything. So I've been saying I wanted to make some pasta or something, so I saw these. I think they was like $800 Jamaican. And these I have definitely been on the hunt for, these honey brands, so I could make me some s'mores. These was about 600 Jamaican for the 2-pack. I found some yogurt on sale, some chicken, some shrimp. Yeah, just a few little things here and there. I didn't do a whole heap of shopping. So once we get through the line, we're gonna go to the food court because I want to sample this chicken bake thing that I've been seeing. Sometimes I'll get a slice of pizza or something, but I want it to be adventurous. So yeah, I finished. I had to catch an Uber on the way back home because I was not gonna haul all this stuff from taxi to taxi. Don't know what area this is, but we are at Way Homes Wholesale and Retail. And I was contemplating on grabbing some mango, but I forgot I got one still in the fridge, so we finna go on to the yard. And that was it pretty much on our journey to Pricesmart. So I'm gonna enjoy this nice cool breeze and see y'all later.